Hi, and welcome to my review of Lynchburg Thousand Trails. Now, I've been to many Thousand Trails properties, and I can tell you that when I see things in disrepair, they don't always bother me. I saw quite a few closed sites right away, though, and I think maybe that set the mood for me. That said, my site was absolutely fine. It was plenty large, level, and very adequate. Ordinary, maybe. I wouldn't mind a little landscaping to make it feel homey. And for some reason, the pond even bored me. Was I just sort of in a melancholy mood? I didn't think so. Is there such a thing as bad feng shui at an outdoor park? It was quite scenic, but again, it didn't do anything for me. I just can't explain why. The facilities were just adequate, and I would dare say outdated. I really didn't spend much time in these buildings. Lynchburg Thousand Trails is just fine for a 1 or 2 night layover, but for me, it's just not interesting or pretty or charming for some reason. I just never felt completely at home here. I didn't feel the love. Honestly, I think the only place to start for this property is maybe to fix it up and inject some energy with a few activities. But it is a Thousand Trails park and it is free. Look, I've been doing the Thousand Trails thing for a long time, and there are plenty of nice parks in the system. If you're not a member yet, you need to check out my description page and sign up. Okay, well, it's all I got for now. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.